What if I told you the best workout after 40 isn't in the gym, and it might be something you're already doing every day? No heavy weights, no intense workouts, no complicated routines, just walking. Sounds too simple, right? But here's the truth. What worked in your 20s can actually start working against you after 40. And if you're still pushing your body the same way, you might already be paying the price. There's a moment that hits many people in their 40s. You walk into the gym, and suddenly, everything feels different. Your knees don't cooperate. Your back feels tight. And recovery takes days instead of hours. And slowly, without even realizing it, you start going less. Not because you're lazy, but because your body is asking for something different. And if you ignore that, it doesn't get better. It gets worse. Today, we're breaking down why walking daily might be the most powerful, sustainable fitness habit after 40, and how it can actually outperform traditional gym workouts in the ways that matter most. Let's start with something real. Think about your daily habits. You sit more than you used to. You move less without noticing. And when you do exercise, you try to make up for it with intense workouts. Here's the problem. After 40, your metabolism naturally slows down. Your joints lose some of their cushioning. Your muscles take longer to recover. So when you jump into workouts, high-impact workouts or heavy lifting like before, let me be clear, you think you're building strength, but you're actually building stress. And that stress shows up as soreness, fatigue, or even injury. Now imagine this. Instead of shocking your body for 1 hour at the gym, you gently activate it every single day. That's what walking does. It meets your body where it is, not where it used to be. And that shift alone changes everything. Here's something most people don't realize. The biggest fitness mistake after 40 isn't doing too little. It's doing too much, too suddenly. You skip workouts all week. Monday, you're too busy. Wednesday, you're too tired. Saturday, you try to do everything at once. You push hard on the weekend, trying to make up for lost time. You go all in for 2 weeks, then quit for 2 months. Sound familiar? This cycle creates frustration, guilt, and burnout. But walking breaks that pattern. Because walking doesn't feel like a workout. It feels like something you can actually stick to. You don't need motivation. You don't need perfect timing. You don't even need a gym. Just step outside. And that's where consistency wins. Because after 40, consistency beats intensity. Every single time. When was the last time you stuck to a workout plan for 6 months straight? Now ask yourself, could you walk every day? Exactly. Most people think fat loss only happens through intense workouts. Sweat more, burn more, lose more. But your body doesn't work like that after 40. High-intensity workouts rely heavily on sugar for fuel. Walking, on the other hand, relies more on fat as fuel. And here's the key. When you walk at a steady pace, your body stays in that fat-burning state longer. No spikes, no crashes, no exhaustion. Just steady, efficient energy use. And over time, that adds up. A 30 to 45-minute daily walk can quietly burn hundreds of calories, without increasing your hunger, the way intense workouts often do. And that's the difference most people miss. So instead of fighting your body, you're working with it. Let's talk about something people rarely mention: joint health. Because here's the reality. After 40, protecting your joints becomes just as important as building muscle. Think about your knees, your hips, your lower back. Years of wear and tear don't disappear, they accumulate. Now imagine pounding those joints with high-impact exercises. Every step hits your joints, especially after 40. Your joints feel it. It adds pressure where your body is already vulnerable. Walking does the opposite. It lubricates your joints and strengthens the muscles, improves circulation without strain. It's like giving your body maintenance instead of punishment. And after 40, maintenance is what keeps you moving. And the best part? It keeps you moving pain-free for years. If this is starting to change how you think about fitness, take a second to hit like and subscribe. Sometimes, it's the simplest habits that create the biggest changes in your health. Let's look at this differently for a moment, because fitness after 40 isn't just physical, it's mental. You've got responsibilities, work pressure, family commitments, and stress becomes a daily companion. Now think about how you approach the gym. Rushing in, checking the clock, pushing through a routine. It can start to feel like just another task. But walking, it slows everything down. It gives your mind space. Whether you're walking alone, listening to music, or just being present, your stress levels begin to drop naturally. And that matters more than you think, because high stress leads to weight gain, poor sleep, and low energy. Walking doesn't just burn calories, it resets your nervous system. The gym pushes your body. Walking calms your mind. Here's something most people don't realize. Motivation fades, and it happens every single time. That excitement you feel at the start of a gym routine, it doesn't last. Life gets busy, energy drops, and suddenly it's hard to keep going. But walking doesn't rely on motivation. It relies on habit. You walk after dinner. You walk in the morning. You walk during calls. It becomes part of your life, not something extra you have to force. And that's the difference between short-term effort and long-term success. Because after 40, the goal isn't quick results. It's lasting health. Let me paint a picture for you. You're in your mid-40s, and you're doing everything right. You've got a gym membership, you try different workout programs, and you push yourself hard. But every time you start, you stop. Your knees hurt, your back tightens. And after every workout, you feel exhausted. Not just tired, frustrated with yourself. Then something changes. Instead of forcing gym sessions, you start walking every evening. Just 20 minutes at first. No pressure, no expectations. Within a few weeks, something surprising happens. You feel lighter, your energy improves, your sleep gets better. So you slowly increase it. 30 minutes, then 45. 6 months later, you've lost weight. Your joint pain has eased. And for the first time in years, you're consistent. No burnout, no quitting, just progress. And that's the power of walking. Now you might be thinking, okay, but how do I start? Here's the key. Keep it simple. Start with 20 to 30 minutes a day. Don't worry about speed. Just focus on showing up. Then gradually increase your pace or time. Walk in parks. Try different routes, or even go indoors if needed. And here's a small trick. Pair your walk with something you enjoy, like music or a call. Now it's not just exercise, it's something you actually look forward to. And that's how habits stick. Now let's be clear. This doesn't mean the gym is useless. Strength training still matters. But here's the smarter approach after 40. Use walking as your foundation. Then add light strength training 2 to 3 times a week. Not extreme, not exhausting, just enough to maintain muscle and support your body. Because fitness isn't about extremes. It's about balance. And after 40, balance is what keeps you consistent. So here's the big takeaway. After 40, your body doesn't need more punishment. It needs smarter movement. And walking delivers exactly that. It's simple, sustainable, powerful, and most importantly, it works with your body, not against it. So starting today, take that first walk. Because small steps, done daily, create the biggest transformations. If this helped you, Share it with someone who's struggling to stay active. It might be exactly what they need. If you want more simple, powerful health tips every week, make sure you subscribe to Prime Vibe Wellness. Your health is your wealth. Make it a priority. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.